Hello, Odd Job Doer here, and we got a little trick here by the Melissa and Doug company from their Deluxe Deluxe magic set, and professional tricks for the beginner. And there's about 10 tricks in this set, and this one here I'm on is about number 3. I mean, there's no order to them, but I'm trying to do them all. They say solid wood construction, easy performance, and for ages 8+. So there you go. This one's called the Vanishing Coin trick, and you have this little box here. You got the doors here, open and close, a little floppy on them. Nothing on the bottom. The sides have some decals. Top has decal. The other side has decal. The doors have these little decals on them. And overall, I mean, yeah, the doors do feel a little floppy, but they do open and close pretty smooth. Yeah, it looks like it's all wood construction with glue. The back, even though it has some spaces here, is really glued and solid. And so, how the trick goes is something like this. You ask a volunteer from the audience. You say, does anyone have a coin? Let's say percent. How about a quarter? All right, so hopefully someone can come up and give you a quarter. And you just open up like so, got the quarter in, shut it, and you do some abracadabra stuff, and you say, okay, your coin is now gone. And you open up this side, and there it is, gone. Oh, yeah, well, wait, what? You see it's on the other side. Oh, okay, so it's there. So you got your quarter there, and same thing. You say, okay, I'll make it disappear again. So you show it there, and you go, abracadabra, presto changeo, whatever magic word you want. And you say, okay, your quarter is now gone. And you open up the side. See? Gone. Uh-huh. Oh, you think it just slid back to the other side? Well, let's just take a look. Alright, so, as you can see, the quarter is actually gone there. And, you know what? If you do this trick, say 100 times, you'll make $25. So, Odd Job Doer, thanks for watching this trick here. If you have any questions on it, leave some comments below. If you know how it's done, don't tell anybody. And thanks for watching.